Hi guys! Today I'm gonna share with you my cream cheese cookie recipe. I love the simple flavor. They're light and not too sweet, so I find myself coming back for more. Here are the ingredients we need to make the cookies. We need 60 grams of cream cheese. You can either make it on your own like I did, but it's also okay to use the ones in the market. And we need 50 grams of butter, 65 grams of sugar powder, 130 grams of flour, 1 egg yolk, a pinch of salt, and 20 grams of Parmesan cheese. It's okay to leave it out if you don't have Parmesan cheese. I'm making 3 batches, so I'll be using 3 times the ingredients. Okay, now we're all set. Let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot. If you're planning on making these, it's best to leave your butter out of the fridge for a few hours, so it's ready to go when you need it. But I forgot to do that, so I just popped it into the microwave for about 10 seconds. That's okay too. Okay, now we're gonna really start. First, cream the softened butter and the cream cheese together. And then add the sugar powder and mix them thoroughly. After they are combined, beat in the egg yolks until they are fluffy. After that, add the flour and the Parmesan cheese, and then mix them until they are just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix the flour because you may end up with flat cookies. Finally, roll the cookie dough into a log and wrap it in parchment paper and chill for at least an hour. I made 3 different batches in different flavors. This one is cheese flavored, and this one is green tea flavored. I added in matcha powder instead of Parmesan cheese. And this one here is coffee flavor. When you're all ready to eat, take them out from the fridge and cut them into slices and bake them for 15 minutes in the oven that was preheated for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Let them sit on the baking pan for about 2 minutes before removing to cool rack. Now, enjoy! If you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next week. Bye!